Alright guys, so check out this nice H1 Hummer. We got it set up looking nice. Nice wheels and everything. Green. Yeah, you know when I see them little one-off cars, I go show now. Pretty much. Wow, go on. Yeah man, so we just finished up with the salon. Clean up and everything and move around some stuff. But you have some chairs and so inside here. We do want to move around. So we just get those moved around and sort out 2 rooms. Still not paint the room yet, so I need to paint the I need to paint 2 rooms. Everything else is done. They just need to, you know, a paint touch up. So I'm gonna get those painted. I'm going to do it tomorrow. And I'll put it off no more. I'm gonna go get the room paint tomorrow. As far as the Peppers project up the street right here, it's going along. There is a pause. We're about to get the building, the final part of the building permit sorted out. It's been stamped off already, as in the previous video what I said. I stamped off on it on Friday, so I just need to get with City of Swanee so that they can actually print that permit out. Everything is good on their side as well, so to get that piece of paper printed, I just have to get with them, with the secretary up there, the person that deals with the printing of it. They already received it and already and everything, so I know it's good because I spoke to the plan review and he said it's good. Forward it to the secretary, so I just have to check with her to see when we can get it in hand. So that's sorted out. We got the inspection this morning as well. One of the inspections on the grease trap. We haven't started digging, but inspector came out and took a look this morning. So he gives us the green light on that. It's just that we have to get the I don't remember what them people are called. Before you dig, when in America, before you dig, you got some people come out to come scan the ground and check for see if there's any power, or you know, they tell you where, if there's anything under the ground, mark out everything, any power line, plumbing, all of that, right? So they're gonna come out the 7th, which is about 4 days from now, right? 3 days, 4 days from now. They're gonna come out by the end of the week, and then from there plumber can start dig and put in the grease trap. So we already got through with that part. The inspector gave us a green light on that, so we're good to go as far as that part to start working on the grease trap. The reason why we haven't started, we had gotten the permit to do it, but we can't start until they come out and take a look. So the date that they gave us was today. So they came out, took a look, gave us the green light on it. So he's gonna start anytime after the 7th. He's gonna start digging somewhere around there. He's getting everything ready so to start digging on the 7th. So hold on guys, let me take the call there real quick. Alright guys, so we're there. Take it easy on the road guys. The road wet. A major accident going on right here. I'm gonna wait on the fun for move. Yeah guys, make sure you take it easy. Don't be speeding in them weather, you know. Big accident going on just happened to 2 cars and a van. Yeah guys, make sure you take it easy on the road, you know. It's raining, you know. Take on the time. Yeah man, but there we take a little shortcut and cut out the traffic and go around. I head back to the salon. So here we are going now. Morning. I'm up on the road. I've been on the road early this morning. I just never turned on the camera this morning. Went by the salon this morning, did a clean up and everything, get through with all of that, left the salon, but I came down to the fireplace. The check and re-tag the fire extinguisher. So what I did was I came down to get them refilled and re-tagged and everything, re-inspected. So pretty much I got them re-tagged. They're here in the back on the floor. I gotta head back, put them back over by Lifestyle. Every year, if anyone who don't know this, you have to re-tag, get your fire extinguishers inspected and re-tagged every year. If they need to be checked, serviced, you have to get them serviced or change them out, right? So I just did that and got a new set with new tags and everything. So now we're good for a whole year. Yeah. So I'm gonna head back over, drop them off. It's late now, it's almost 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna head back over, drop them off, and then head for go pick up my daughter today. Yeah. So yeah, we're up on the road. What else me have to do? I don't know what else me have to do. After that, I have a bunch of things. I have a list when I met down there. So I will just make a list, go through the list and get what need to get done. But yeah, take it easy guys, because the accidents, you hope a traffic build up right here. So now we have traffic up there, traffic everywhere. We have a major accident that they close the road up there. So you guys be careful, and when it rain, don't be speeding. You know what I'm saying? Just take it easy. When you will reach where you go, you know, in time. Just leave early and take your time, you know, pay attention, look out where you're going and all of that, you know. Don't take your eye off of the road. Don't be texting and driving, you know, because the minute you blink, something happens, you know. I know for sure somebody actually, based on that accident, somebody ran the red light. That's all that happened right here. Somebody was in the intersection and they ran the red light and they then get T-boned. So yeah man. Yeah, so I go on with the day. I pretty much take these extinguisher back and then we'll figure out what I want from there. So check in a few. When I reach, me show you the extinguishers and show you where them go. Normally we put them at the front door, back door. All exits have to have a extinguisher. So I'm gonna take them over there and show you. So go on, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we go right there. Those are the extinguishers. So we got them tagged. New dates 2024, November 2024 they were tagged, so they're good until 2025. So let me get these out. You bear me guys, two of them heavy. Alright, so pretty much this is where they go. We got an exit right here. If you notice there's an exit door right there. You have to have one by the exit door. So hook. Oh, that one won't fit. Different. Let me put this one right here. Take this one to the front. So now they're all re-tagged, good to go. That's the front door. So normally what we do is, once you have an exit right there, you gotta have a fire extinguisher right by the exits. And if you look right here, it's another exit right there. So we got one right here. I think this one was a little bit different one he gave me. So. You know, they're supposed to be good to go. Let me see. Yeah, what's going on? Everything all right? Yeah. All right, guys. So we here at the salon. We got a call saying that the intercom wasn't ringing on one of the units. Now, this is not the unit that it happened to, but we did an update the other day on all the intercoms, and apparently that update, it fixed one issue and then it caused another issue. So it was turning it selected a particular setting in here that makes it not ring, right? So the some of the rooms wasn't ringing. When you call in the front, it wasn't ringing right here. So I had to go through and just check to see which one is ringing and which one is not ringing. There was only 2 rooms in here that wasn't ringing, or 3. But I've noticed with this one, when you click that, you pretty much could see the front door and everything, who's out there and everything, but it's not, the lower buttons in this portion right here, it's not working. These 2 buttons not working. So as you can see, there's somebody at the door right now, but it's not working. I think this display right here, the touch screen, is going bad. Cause see, it's not return. The return button is not working. It's not doing anything. The buttons, some of them work. I mean, see, these work right here, but it's not working. Oh, see, it switches the card, or it switches over there, but this button, anything down here in this corner, is not working. So I don't know why it's not working, but something's wrong with it, guys. So we're gonna have to figure out. See, it works when it feels like. So this button works, but this doesn't work. I don't know what's going on. So anyway, I'm gonna get with the manufacturers and see if it's an issue that they have before, or we have to replace it. So that's where I'm at. The hallways and everything has been clean. This is one of the empty rooms I'm in. But the hallways out there is clean. Front door, back door, glass, bathrooms are clean. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna probably head down to the restaurant store. I'll be checking some prices on some materials, on some ingredients and materials. So I'm gonna head down to the restaurant store, get some prices of some items. So go on, stay tuned. We're on it. It's not a very beautiful day outside. It's overcast, misty, yeah. But we're on it still. That don't stop us, you know. So stay tuned, guys.